Well, guys, little post heat race update.
Yeah.
Spark, what do we got?
Oh boy. Full sun. Did alright. Did alright. Ski push. Bad ski push. Brakes, gas.
No. Stop right there. Ski push is an understatement. I am driving a thing of fiberglass. It feels like I'm driving PVC pipe. Just.
Gotta drift it. Gotta drift
He's got a brake tapper every
And
time.
I brake tapped it. I got a little better.
And let me tell you the pop-eyed arms you guys get, dude.
Oh, yeah.
You're just sitting there tapping the brakes. You'll see on the video, I barrel rolled the phaser pretty good.
Yeah.
And she's still going though. I don't know what happened, but it wouldn't move after that. I think either the brakes were stuck, maybe the brake lever got pinched, or clutch is messed up. I don't know, but she rips good now. So yeah, these guys did good as far as being outmatched. I mean,
Oh yeah. Our sleds are not set up at all.
Third. I took
Oh, yeah.
Third. Spike to the fourth.
yep.
And a fifth or something. Hole shot though, I'm like second out of the hole.
Yeah. But
I got a little trick up my sleeve for the finals though. For the hole shot. We watch.
we're thinking of putting Spike behind Sparky in the hole shot, and then Spike just pushes Sparky so he's in the lead.
To the lead.
I got a little idea for Spark to get ahead. Watch out.
Rosemont's gonna be coming, guys.
Out of the cattails.
Oh, I almost put her in the cattails too. That was bad. So basically, guys, if you're unfamiliar with Lakecross, the track's basically all ice and patchy snow here and there. And let me tell you, an unstudded phaser with patchy snow and ice is a deadly combo.
That's
In my practice run, guys, I wish I had it on camera. Went around the corner, did a full 360 at probably 20 miles an hour, and kept it going, guys. And there's a dude going right around me as I'm doing a 360. It was pretty nasty, but no, we'll maybe recap after the finals and see how these boys do. It's basically just a two-man race between Mark and Mike, so see how good they do.